Hello everyone, this is Sahid back on board and super glad to have you. Welcome to our channel. This is your indispensable channel for all-inclusive information on migration abroad, infotainment, classic shows, latest kitchen recipes, unbeatable storytelling, and healthy lifestyle. We're super excited to have you and more than ready to make your migration dream a possibility. Giving you the latest in all ramifications and begin your success story with us. Like and share our videos, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification so you don't miss out on all our future videos. So what are we discussing today? Let's get started.
In today's video, we'll be telling you about the significant change in the National Canadian Society for Medical Laboratory Science CSMLS Medical Laboratory Technology MLT certification process. Are you planning to migrate to Canada as a medical laboratory scientist or technologist? The time to move is now. The profession of medical laboratory science is that where you will have to conduct medical laboratory tests, experiments, and analyses to help in the diagnosis, treatment, monitoring, and prevention of diseases. They are employed in medical laboratories in hospitals, blood banks, community and private clinics, research facilities, and post-secondary educational institutions. For a professional to be able to practice in Canada, you will need a certification by the Canadian Society for Medical Laboratory Science CSMLS, then a license to practice via the regulatory body in the province of your practice, which are often required by employers. For internationally educated medical laboratory technologists (MLT), you will usually need to go through the prior learning assessment PLA process, which leads to the CSMLS National Certification MLT examination. For internationally educated medical laboratory technologists who have been deemed eligible through the CSMLS prior learning assessment PLA, the exam currently may only be written in Canada. The PLA process evaluates academic credentials, theory and practical, clinical training, clinical work experience, and language proficiency. You can download the PLA MLT handbook for more details. The CSMLS is the single point of access for internationally educated medical laboratory technologists (MLTs) who are seeking Canadian MLT certification. Now some of these are about to change somehow and some way, with new changes affecting the CSMLS MLT examination and prior learning assessments coming up. The Canadian Alliance of Medical Laboratory Professionals Regulators (CAMLPR) is expected to assume the delivery of the MLT examination and prior learning assessment PLA services. Starting November 1, 2025, all internationally educated MLTs and non-traditionally educated applicants will be required to apply through the Camper Flexible Pathways website. CAMLPR will conduct the prior learning assessments using their competency profiles, and applicants will need to complete the CAMLPR Flexible Pathways assessments and/or exams. Effective March 1, 2026, all applicants, including those educated domestically and internationally, will be required to apply through the Camper Flexible Pathways and complete the associated assessment or exams. There are currently no specific details about CAMLPR's new process, including exact dates, formats, and/or other pertinent information. Thus, the time to move is now. Don't delay as no one knows what's in the offing. More details on this information can be found in the links provided in the video's description box. And that brings us to the end of today's video regarding the significant change in the National Canadian Society for Medical Laboratory Science CSMLS Medical Laboratory Technology MLT certification process. If you found this information valuable and you're eager for more most updated information and immigration tips to successfully migrate, then kindly like and share our videos and subscribe to this channel. Then don't forget to hit the notification button to have all our latest videos produced. If you need help, however, with specifics or individualized services in particular, please feel free to contact us and let's create this success story together.